Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys so much. Today's video gonna be doing breast cancer awareness inspired meals. So if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button to get notified every time I post. So let's get into the video. My nails are already pushed back, so now I'm just cleaning out my dead cuticle skin, buffing out the shine on my nails, cutting out the grown out length, and now sticking on my tips. So now I'm just cutting out on the length of the tips. I'm feeling short, cute vibes today. So guys, this is not my regular length, you all know that. I was just feeling, lively to do short, cute nails today because I've never done short nails. So y'all know I like my long nails, but it's time for a change. Now I'm just trimming on the nails so I could get into shaping them. I'm just trimming on the nails so it could get easier while shaping rather than shaping on the whole thing. And I spend a lot of time in shaping and my files get damaged. Guys, during the video I realized that I was out of camera, so excuse me for that. Don't come for me. I will be better in my next video, so continue to support me and I'll do better. I'll get better at it. Now I'm shaping and blending the tips to my natural nail. I am adding dehydrator and primer from MEFA. I got it on Amazon. It was only $8.99, so go check it out. I will be putting the link in the description below. I'm adding 2 coats of the primer, just to be on the safe side. Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. So this is my acrylic brush from Mia's Secret. I got this acrylic brush from my beauty supply store. Yo, it was $79 in EC, but in US I think it's around 26 $24. Don't quote me. I will be putting a link in the description below so you could check it out as well. Now I'm taking my strawberry milk. I mix this color on my own and I'm putting it on all my nails except my ring finger. Yo, this is the first time that I'm doing the acrylic system, so don't come for me. All you gotta do is give me some tips on how to apply acrylic properly. I have been watching videos from time I was gone. I have been practicing, but you know I'm using my non-dominant hand to do this, so
turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the.
now I'm going in with the Mirror Secret acrylic pink powder, just encapsulating all the nails except my ring finger. Since it's pink, I want to encapsulate it pink because you know breast cancer awareness is pink. So yes guys. Now I'm just adding the white to my ring finger and I'm also encapsulating that with acrylic. Guys, this is so cute. I like the soft look because the strawberry milk is like a soft natural pink, so the white makes it even softer. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm liking the short look. I adore it. And maybe I should continue doing short nails. It looks cute on me. Now I'm just going ahead shaping up my nails. I'm going with the nail file, just sharpen up the shape a little bit. Then I'm going with my medium grit carbide beads. I got it at my local beauty supply store. Yo, big up Diamond Girl. I've been saying my local beauty supply store for almost the entire video. Almost. They mostly have everything you need to start off doing nails. So if you live in St. Lucia, go check them out, cause y'all won't regret it. Y'all won't regret it. Yo, I had a hard time using this bit with my non-dominant hand, cause yo, I'm only used to doing my right hand. And I want to cry because this was so hard. Now I'm going back with my nail file and just, sharpening that shape a little bit, then buffing it out to get it super smooth. So for the breast cancer awareness ribbon, since I don't have pink acrylic, I had to put pink nail polish in my monomer, so when doing the acrylic, the monomer will stain the acrylic powder and it will come out pink. I got this trick from Long Hair Pretty Nails. She did a breast cancer awareness video, and I got the way to do the ribbon by her, so shout out to you, girl. You can't believe how much I've been practicing how to do this ribbon. I've been practicing how to do this ribbon from since 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and I got the hanger. Now I'm getting the hang out of it. So practice makes permanent. Don't forget that. Not perfect, but permanent. Before it sets, I'm just shaping up to make the ribbon, and I'm gonna let it get hard in a couple of minutes, and I will be back. Now I'm just cleaning out the ribbon, filing it out, making everything crisp and nice so we can apply it to the nail. Now I'm top coating all the nails with my Beetles top gel coat. You know, the OG. I got it from a Beetles kit. Now I'm just putting a bit of clear acrylic powder and then putting on that ribbon, making sure it's secured and placed how I want it. Then I'm gonna apply some cuticle oil and I'm done. These nails are so cute, so short. I am feeling good because they're short and cute. I've never done short nails and I did a good job with the acrylic powder. But if you have some tips and tricks, let me know. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Bye. Lovelies. Mwah.